back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
We're going to try to get through this. Little miscommunication up here in the press box, but all is well. No harm, no foul. White flag coming out for the two cars of the 113 of Chase McWhorter and the number 7 of Drew Nolly. Checker flag waves again for this group. Checker flag waves. Out next. Out next, one onto the track in the number 44, it's Rich Lentz. Behind him in the number 26, current points leader out of Gatlinburg, Tennessee, it's Adam Ogle. And behind him, last time we were here, feature winner out of Buffalo, Kentucky, the Buffalo Bandit, Brian Barber. Around goes the 44. Caution is out. Green flag is out on qualifying. The 44 of Lux brings us to green all the way from Illinois. 5.5 hours to come here and race at the Lake Cumberland Speedway. Adam Ogle, current points leader, rips into turn 1 to 2, blasts the wall, really blasts the wall. Brian Barber sends it off into 1 and 2. We're tiptoeing around the top side here at the Lake Cumberland Speedway. Ogle's lap number 1, 6 quick. Barber's lap number 1, 3rd quick with a 14.970. 14.970. Ogle looking to improve on lap number 2. Ogle 7th quick still. Barber, will he do better on lap number 2? Barber, quick time with a 14.738. Out of Albany, Kentucky. It's Sarah Patrick's dad, Tim Patrick. And behind him, in the 161, it's Joe Husband. And behind him, in the number 20, is Justice Maxwell. Joe Husband with a 16.455, 16.455. And Justice Maxwell, 14 quick,